ஜம்மு காஷ்மீருடைய இரண்டாம் கட்ட தேர்தல் மிக தீவிரமாக நடைபெற்று வரக்கூடிய நிலையில இங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய அதிகாரிகள் எந்த மாதிரியான அந்த பாதுகாப்பு ஏற்பாடுகளை செய்து வராங்க அப்படிங்கிறது நேரடியாக பேசலாம். சார், தேங்க்ஸ் டு ஜாயின் us, sir. How is going the election for full protection?
This is the second phase of election going on in the Jammu and Kashmir, in the Srinagar district particularly. We are presently present in the Srinagar, the Zadibal constituency. This is the DCRC, Dispatch Collection Reception Center. It's also a transit room. The EVMs will be dispatched from here only, and they will the polling parties will leave by 2 or 3 hours from here, and they will reach the destination by evening. And hopefully different kind of logistics have been placed on the ground, and Honorable Election Commission has taken well care of the all polling parties regarding the welfare measures. So we are having the bedding facilities for the polling parties. We are having the lunch and dinner facilities. The dry packs are being served by the district election office as well. Additionally, I would like to add one thing, that we are having 143 polling stations throughout the Srinagar Zadibal constituency. The most of the part of this Zadibal constituency falls downtown.
Yes.
And we are having one specialty also, that is the unique polling stations. 11 polling stations are falling in the Dal area. That is Dal Lake, 11 polling stations, out of which 88 polling stations are falling on totally in the Dal Lake area, and 3 are in the adjoining parts of the Dal. That is called the Bull Dal, or sometimes it's called the Mir Behri Dal. And it's unique in the sense that the polling parties and the security persons who are protecting the EVM and the material, they will be ferried on the different kind of shikaras and in the motor boats to the polling stations. So these are a different kind of polling station, just like floating.
Yes, sir. How to handle the hill station for its surrounding so many hill stations polling?
The security deployment is very well placed. A different kind of security deployment on the ground. That is the first of all, there is a first line of defense from the Jammu Kashmir Police, and the second is the CAPF, Central Armed Police Forces. So there is a very well coordination between the different kind of security agencies like JKP, CAPF. We are having the security from the ITBP as well in the DCRC, SP Higher Secondary Zadibal.
What is the time to start the polling? Regularly in 7 o'clock. In model polling, when people to have the model polling is?
No, the polling will start. It will commence everywhere by 7 a.m. in the morning. 5:30 it will be a mock poll timing. It will be a duration of 1.5 hours. So it will start by 5:30 a.m. till 7 a.m. It's the mock poll timing, and then 7 a.m. is the commencement of the actual poll. So poll commencement timing is same everywhere in the Jammu and Kashmir.
In Tamil Nadu, we have some candidates only in the booth, but here lot of independent candidates. So many agency in the polling booth. So how to handle that, sir?
So just like it's a very interesting question, I would definitely like to respond to it. You can see we are having 10 candidates in the fray. The list of contesting candidates for the Zadibal constituency is 10. It's comprising of recognized political parties, registered and unrecognized political parties, and independents as well. So it's a democracy, and democracy runs on the participatory level. So the people that participate, it is a very good signal for the survival of the democracy and the progression of the democracy as well.
Okay. Any sensational polling booth in second space, sir? How many?
Vulnerability mapping is a concept. I would like to say it provides an opportunity to have the vulnerability mapping of the whole polling area, and particularly the polling stations which have remained in some kind of controversy in the past. But these kind of activities have now come to a standstill.
Okay.
We have been witnessing from the Lok Sabha election, their vulnerability has died down now. So, though we are having high percentages or critical police stations throughout the Zadibal, 143 police stations have been declared by the security agencies as well as by our returning officer level teams as the hypersensitive and the critical. But at the same point of time, there are no reports of some kind of law and order problem or other kind of security issues presently.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Welcome.
much.
Thank you.
தொடர்ச்சியாக இங்க தேர்தல் பணியில பல்வேறு அதிகாரிகள் வந்து ஈடுபட்டிருக்காங்க. இந்த ஸ்ரீநகரை பொறுத்தளவிற்கு 143 மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு போலிங் பூத் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு இடம்ன்றதுனால தொடர்ச்சியாக வாக்குச்சாவடி மையங்களுக்கு செல்லக்கூடிய அந்த பெட்டிகளுக்கு தீவிரமான அந்த பாதுகாப்பு, அதாவது நம்ம ஊர்ல 2 போலீஸ் வந்து அவங்க கூட போயிட்டு அந்த டிராப் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த இடத்த வந்து பாதுகாப்பு பணியில் ஈடுபடுவாங்க. ஆனா இங்க அப்படி கிடையாது. காஷ்மீரை பொறுத்தளவிற்கு இப்ப இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த பல்வேறு விதமான அந்த அரசியல் நிகழ்வுகள், அதே போல சட்ட ரீதியான பல பிரச்சனைகள், அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் ஏற்கனவே நடைபெற்ற பல பயங்கரவாத தாக்குதல்கள், இதெல்லாம் காரணமாக வைத்து தற்போது இந்த போலிங் பூத்தினுடைய பகுதிகளுக்கு செல்லக்கூடியவர்களுக்கு அந்த ஆர்மியோட செய்யக்கூடிய அந்த பாதுகாப்பு பணிகள், குறிப்பாக ஜம்மு காஷ்மீர் போலீஸ் என தீவிரமான அந்த பாதுகாப்பு பணிகள் அப்படிங்கிறது ஜம்மு காஷ்மீர் முழுவதும் பார்க்க முடிகிறது. கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 15,000க்கும் மேற்பட்ட போலீசார் வந்து தீவிர பாதுகாப்பு பணியில் ஈடுபட்டிருக்கிறார்கள். ஒளிப்பதிவாளர் செந்திலுடன் வேல்முருகன், நியூஸ் 18 தமிழ்நாடு.